How is the ATV?
ATV is excellent, very very excellent. Don't go to any other place rather than Kuber is the best and the best one. You have many tunnels and waterfall,
Yes.
everything.
The best one. And don't forget, if you come here, contact me, right?
Please contact our driver.
Agung.
Everything
Agung.
like a family member, a very
All
good
right.
person.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Agung. I'm a driver in Bali and this is my car. Today we have a plan to our two customers from India, Mr. Rajesh. I'm still waiting for these two our customers to do the ATV today at Haris Hotel Seminyak. So this is the hotel. So I will take them to do the ATV today, Kuber Bali Adventure in Ubud. So guys, if you want to do the ATV with us, please contact me. I put my number here, and I will pick up you from wherever you stay in Kuta, Seminyak, Ubud, wherever you are. Mr. Rajesh? Okay, let's go. How are you, sir?
How are you?
Thank you for contacting me. Yeah, so this is our customers from India. So we will do the ATV. Okay, we already arrived at ATV company. Now from the parking lot we will go to the cashier for the payment. So this is our ATV companies, and that is for the helmet, the boat, everything is over there. From here we have to go straight to the cashier, and now we are going to the cashier. Swastiastu dari Pak Agung. Rajis, maaf telat datangnya, macet. Nanti jangan bayar pakai nih. This is the cashier. You can take the drink, please. So we are now at Kuber ATV.
Satu tandem ya Pak ya?
Kenapa?
Satu motoran berdua ya?
Tandem.
One and half hour. Photo video we sell. Photo 400, video 500, photo and video 750. You want the request?
No.
Later you free
750
me.
means 750,000.
Yes.
चार हजार कहीं ले सका कहीं मतलब है इन में गाड़ी वही जवाब
Sandwich different price, yeah?
it's a vegetarian
Vegetarian? No egg. No egg. This for ticket meal, this is here. It's after ticket, yeah? So we have insurance. You can read both name, complete everything before you sign. You can read the regulation here. So later you going with a group around 6 motorbike. Duration the trip 1.5 hour. Depend on 1.5 hour. Depend on the speed you going fast, maybe less. You just wait here. Estimation 20 until 13 minutes, maybe less. Later I call you again.
For the waiting. Wait, the other group coming.
I have to wait now.
Yeah. Thank you.
So guys, what you get if you book your ATV with us? I'm gonna show you. So you got the guide. Okay, they are the guide. And you will get a towel. That is the towel. And it's me. And it's me. I'm Agung. You got the towel. You got the boots. Okay. Helmet, of course. And for the locker, you have to put the deposit 100k to get the locker, but do not lose the key. If you lose it, your money is gone. Okay, if you have some sandals, you can keep it here, sandals. Okay, and we also provide you the, let's see, the changing room and the bathroom. This is for the lady and this is for the man. With a nice toilet. So guys, again, Kuber Bali Adventure is the best one. Do not go to other ATV. Only this one is the best one. So guys, we will see how they do the ATV. Let's see.
Neutral and